and thanks for hitting play on today's video of what's in my Aliexpress basket. Again, we have lots of embellishments and trim and loveliness. One seller I am showing today, so there is one link in the description if you want to purchase any of these items. So the first thing we're starting out with is this 1 yard of gold flower pearl trim, £1.92 for a yard. And the pearls are very lovely on the gold flowers, and you can cut them off, so you don't have to use them in a row. You can use them individually as well. And you know me, I like my half flat back pearl trim. Well, I found it in silver and gold, 25 meters for £4.65. So you know what I'm going to be using these for? Christmas. But the gold I will be using all year round. Well, probably the silver as well, actually. But 25 meters keeps you going for a very long time. So now I have it in gold, silver, ivory, white and pink. Then we have these gorgeous 20 pieces bows, and they have these dangles on them. They're £2.54. Very fun. Gorgeous. I've got these to make hair bows or hair barrettes, so just hair clips for the kids, for the girls. I just thought I could just hot glue these on some barrettes, you know, or in Poundland they just sell the hair, metal hair clips, so I just thought I'd put them on that. And look at these angels, 30 pieces flat back angels for £1.59. You get 30 of these. These would just be super to put in Happy Mail, or, you know, to friends and family even. You could make brooches out of them, all sorts of things. I think these are very, very pretty. And I will be using these probably quite a lot, actually. So if they're good, I will be getting some more. Then we have these 12 pieces, 22mm resin roses, £1.59. Do please excuse my naughty boy cat, who is just Bing. What are you doing? Oi, psh, psh. Sorry, I do not know what his problem is. It's like, honestly, I put the start recording down in my, I do this recording in my front room, and sat at the table, and look, you can hear him. You can hear him pattering around. I don't know if it'll pick that up. Right, okay, let's get back to what we were doing. There's 20 pieces, resin, sunflower, flat back, gorgeous flower embellishments, £1.59. This is the seller that has a lot of things for £1.59, so you'll hear me saying that quite a bit in this video, but we all like £1.59, don't we? Some things are a bit less and some things are a bit more. This one, we have 40 pieces of 14mm silver resin flower flatbacks. Silver resin flower flatbacks, £1.59. And Bing has just climbed up on my lap and he's looking at me wanting a fuss. You do not pick your moments, don't you? You can come up, but only if you're going to be good. Are you going to be good? And sit still. You can sit there. Oh, you hear him purring. Okay, then we have 12 pieces, 12mm flower flatbacks, £1.59. I love the petals on these, and they are AB as well, which gives them a lovely finish. So these are very pretty for your projects. He's sitting having his tummy tickled. Oh, bless him. Okay, then we have 50 pieces padded felt hearts, 80p for 50. You never know when you're going to want a felt heart for your projects. You know, these, I don't know, there's all sorts that you could do with these, actually. You know, just pop them in little Happy Mail. They will go on cards, gift boxes, I don't know, on tags, all sorts of things. But, you know, flatback hearts, felt flatback hearts would be good. Okay, so we have some now in our stash, or we will do soon when they arrive. Then we have these 8 pieces, 30mm by 40mm AB drops. They've got gorgeous flowers on them and lovely blingy edge. They are £1.59. I do not know what I'm going to use them on just now, but don't know. I'm not quite sure. You could put a big bow and put them in the middle, as you could with these gorgeous ovals. These are 8 pieces, 30mm by 40mm ovals for £1.59. Now, yeah, these would just look gorgeous in the middle of a bow, or the centerpiece of another oval, you know, background. I don't know. The world's your oyster with these. They are very pretty and very posh. They look very posh. Oh, them ovals. Then we have 10 pieces of 30mm hearts, £2 and 1. 30mm is a good. I don't know if he's going to make this. He's going to be purring too loud on this video because his head is right near my phone where my speaker is. So I'm sure he's going to be making a lot of noise on this video. I just hope they can hear me over your purring, Bingles. Then we have 25 meters of 10mm sunflower pearl trim, £4.93, and you can get it in the ivory or the white. Again, I talk about buying in bulk if there's something that you use a lot, which the pearl trims, you know, I tend to put that on everything, and the flower one as well, so I will definitely get through it and use it, so it does make more sense to buy the 25 meters. Then we have some unicorns, which I'm going to make some hair bows from, and they're 10 pieces for £1.59. But again, they don't just have to be for the children, do they? Because everybody loves unicorns and cats. Isn't that right, Mr. Bing? Yes, we all would have a pet unicorn, though, I'm sure, wouldn't we? Okay, talking of cats, we have these padded, metallic, gorgeous cats, 14 pieces for £1.59. I have so many things now for my cat journal that when I get back from my honeymoon, I will actually be making more. I will be finishing my cat journal off, but I think it's going to be huge because I have so many embellishments and bits and pieces to actually put in it. Right, okay, so moving on, we have 20 pieces of these beautiful, vibrant 20mm flowers. Loving, I don't really do orange, but this lovely burnt orange, oh, they are delicious. £1.59, again £1.59, and I love the centre of these. They are very pretty. They're almost pink and orange. Pink and orange does go very well together. Then we have these swirly flowers, 6 pieces for 80p, and they come in different colours. Loving the green and the pink together at the top there. I like the green in the middle. Yes, I do like those. They are lovely too, and very different, very swirly. I'm calling them the swirly flowers. He's just looking at me. What, Bing? What? I wish you could do the videos for me, Bingles. Okay, then we have 60 pieces of these lovely AB hearts, £1.59. They have got a gorgeous pattern on them, and they're very shiny and shimmery and beautiful. Aren't they, Bing? Yes, they are. Do you like them? Are you looking at them? He's not really that interested, I don't think. Then we have some more hearts. These are 12 pieces, heart embellishments, and they're just in different colours, and they have the lovely edge, and they are £1.59. I think that's, oh no, we do have some more hearts coming up actually. One more heart, so we do have a few hearts in this basket. This seller has some gorgeous embellishments. I have to really restrain myself. You probably think I'm not restrained at all, but trust me, I could get really carried away. Then we have 60 pieces resin flowers in this lovely pink, £1.59, pink and silver. Always looks lovely together, and you have your head right near that microphone, so you're probably going to drown out my voice He's saying, Mum, that might not be a bad thing. What are you doing? Oh, he's nuzzling into my hand. You're beautiful, aren't you? Okay, right, unicorns. 2 lots of unicorns coming up. These are 10 pieces with magical written on it, and they are £2.07. Love the word on that, magic. That's magic, that, isn't it, Bing? Is that magic? Yes, it is. The girls love unicorns, don't they? And they're going to love these pink ones. Here you get 10 pieces for £1.59. We're not quite there yet, but here they are. Pink with a gold horn. Or do you call it a horn? It's not a horn, is it? On a unicorn, is it a horn? I guess it is, isn't it? Yes, so they're £1.59. And I think that's the last of the unicorns now. We're not buying any more unicorns. I am banned until the next time I see some. The last hearts coming up here are gorgeous because they are hearts with little flowers in the middle. These lovely roses, almost like the cameo rose. And these are 100 pieces for £1.59. They are scrumptious. I love that word, scrumptious. Remember the film, Truly Scrumptious. I'm not going to sing because my singing is very bad. Scrumptious. I've always loved that word from being a child. You know, I love words and I love different words. Scrumptious. Truly scrumptious. Then we have this silver flower trim, £1.65 for a yard. And I do have a gold one later on in my basket as well, because I thought if I have the silver, I have to have the gold as well. So this is the silver one, £1.65 for a yard of that. I think I prefer the silver better, but then you never know till you see them which one you prefer or what project you're actually doing. Then we have a 50-metre roll of this flower trim. I think I had the 25-metre earlier, which was £4.93, and the 50 metres is £9.58 if you're wanting, but this is actually for a customer of mine, so don't worry, I'm not having 75 metres in my basket. I just wanted the 25 metres, but you're not really saving much difference either on this one. 50 metres is £9.58 and 25 metres is £4.93, but you do save a little bit. Then we have 2 pieces of these lovely blingy roses, resin roses, £1.59 for 2. I don't have the size of these, but they are looking like they are, I don't know, not going to guess because I'm not very good at guessing, but I would say that they're quite big because you're only getting 2 for the £1.59. As this seller is quite generous in their listings, I think they'll be quite big. Here's the gold flower trim, 13mm, and there's 1 yard of this and it's £1.60, and they are beautiful actually. In fact, I think the gold will look super lovely as well. So that's the last thing in my basket today. I hope that you've enjoyed watching. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description that will take you to the seller's loveliness and gorgeous embellishments that they have. Please like and subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you like this video, and also in the comment box if you would like to see more of something else that I'm not showing, dyes, stamps, inks, glues, you know, just let me know what you're looking for and I'll have a little search and see what I can find for you. So take care for now. See you all very, very soon from me and from my naughty bingles. Bye bye.